Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. You guys also might facing the Call of Duty Warzone not opening or crashing issue in rooted device. Like here you can see my device is rooted, Magisk installed, and whenever I try to open the Call of Duty Warzone mobile, it's not opening, or also you can say it crashes every time. So I will show you the simple steps for how to fix this issue, and after doing this step you will not get any issues from the game side in future. So let's start the step. First you need to open the Magisk app, then go into the Magisk settings and then scroll down. Here you can see a option for to hide the Magisk app. Just click on it and then click on OK and wait for to restart the Magisk app automatically. Now again go into the Magisk settings and scroll down. Then you will see the option for Magisk. Just enable it and then enable the deny list option also, and then click on configure deny list, and then here you can see the list of the apps. You just need to hide this app which is I am showing right now on the screen. You just need to tick all the options of these apps for to hide them, and also here you can see only 3 apps. The play services is missing. You just need to click on 3 dots, then tick on the source system apps and then search for play services. Here you can see, just take it also, and now go back. You need to install one module which is play integrative fix. Just flash it and you don't need to reboot now. You need to do one last step. Open any root file manager like ES Explorer or Z-Archiver. I am using Z-Archiver. Here you can see. And if you don't know how to give root permission in Z-Archiver, just click on 3 dots, then click on settings, then go into the root section, and here you can see the option for super user. Just enable these options and you will get a pop-up for to grant root permission. Now you just need to move one file which name is pif.json. Just copy this file and go into the root directory, then go into the data folder, then adv folder, then modules folder, and then play integrative fix folder, and now just here paste it, and now go into the settings and go into the app section. Here you can see all the apps. You just need to search the play services and play store. You just need to clear the data of play store and play services. After you have done all the steps, just reboot your device, and now congrats, your Call of Duty Warzone mobile not opening or crashing issue is fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So like this video and subscribe our channel, or also share this video with your Warzone buddies.